I don't have a 360 camera, and I'm certainly not a photographer, but I'm going to do my best to give you a bit of a feel of the property through this tour. But honestly, coming and seeing the home is what will really feel its energy and appreciate its work. But again, I'm doing what I can if this helps. So this is the main east side of the main floor. There's a gas fireplace there that goes off and on by the switch on the wall. It's a very open floor plan. There's that major granite island between these two areas. It fits 3 great stools, if not 4, very easily. So there's where the kitchen is. There's the kitchen nook that leads out onto the patio. I'm going to swing back around here to give a view of the door that goes to the garage, which is not terribly exciting, but I thought I'd try to give a view of the bath. It's all custom and travertine tile. And then I'm sorry about this poor picture. And over here is the laundry room. Going into the kitchen, I'll walk around. There's the marble floor that's inlaid with granite, matching the granite countertops. Stainless steel appliances. There's the Moen touchless faucet. You just wave your hand by it and it'll go on and off. And again, here's cabinetry, rest of the kitchen. There's out onto the custom tile and wood patio. And here we go into the main area on the west side of the main floor. Bay window at the north side of the room. Pergo floor. And now I'm going to try to take you up the stairs without hopefully getting you seasick or me. So I'm going to just guide it up there. There's 4 bedrooms on the upper floor. I'll just sort of peek into each of them. All of them have very large windows, are very bright, and I'll step into the room, and they all have large closets. The main primary bedroom has a walk-in. Here again is this room. Major windows. Sorry about that wall. And the final 3rd bedroom. Now I'll take you toward the primary bedroom, going past the custom newly renovated bath for the 3 bedrooms. Here is the private bath for the primary bedroom. So they're a matching kind of format. And here we go into the main bedroom, which has full walk-in closet. And I'm going to try to just get off into the corner so you can see it from this side. That's looking west. You can see Long's Peak when the tree doesn't have leaves. Now I'm going to bring you down to the lower floor, again hoping I don't cause too much jittery. And there's the staircase to go down back to the main floor, and we will come around here. I'll give you a little close-up on the tile work. It's marble with inlaid granite. And we're going to go down into the lower level. Sorry again about stairs. To the east is the largest room downstairs. 2 large windows with murals in the well. Again, a pergola floor. Lenox custom stone fireplace. And I'll just kind of swing this around here. Give you something of a feel. In here is the main bathroom on the lower level with the jetted tub. Slate tiling. Oops, me in the mirror. Sorry. And then the western room, which is half of the floor space. 1 large window. So, I hope this is helpful. It kind of puts the pieces together. And I hope you come and see the home. It'll give you a better sense of whether it's a good fit for you or not. Thank you so much.